everyone, my name is Kim Pipitanason and I am your instructor for the semester. I wanted to help you get started learning how to navigate the course management system. When you log into Canvas and choose this course, you'll see the home page. And you'll note that each page in Canvas has a content area, a navigation menu, a breadcrumb menu, and the sidebar. So to start, select the Start Here button, and that will take you to the Getting Started module. And to move through the information in this module, you'll choose the Next button in the lower right. You'll notice that some pages have tabbed content, so you'll want to make sure to click each tab to view all the information available to you. Next, let's look at the Syllabus tab. You'll have a syllabus and calendar here, and you can view this material in different ways. You can open this link that will open a document that you can print out. You can choose the preview pane, which shows you a preview of the document. Or in the case of the syllabus, you can choose the link that you're interested in finding out about. So, for example, if you want to know what the required reading content is, you would choose that link, and it will take you to the page that shows you the required textbooks for the course. Next, let's look at modules. So you'll see the syllabus modules here on top. The Getting Started module is next. And after that, each week of the semester is divided into weekly modules that are structured very similarly. So you'll see on the top of each one there is a Learning Objectives and Overview page. The objectives for the week are on the top. The assignments, readings, videos, and the assignments due and their due dates are all included here. And each module is structured with learning materials, assignments, and a skills practice section that helps you master the material and the content in the course. These are optional. So let's look at a discussion board. Now, if you want to reply in a discussion board, you'll just click in that reply box. You'll type your post and post reply. Now, if you've decided that you need to edit your post, you can choose these three vertical dots, select Edit, and edit your post, and when you're done, choose Done. Now note that each discussion board post is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. and your responses to peers are due Saturdays at 11:59 p.m. However, I usually comment on most discussion boards by Friday or Saturday, and if I see an element that you've missed in your assignment, I'll make mention of it, and you'll have until Saturday at 11:59 p.m. to edit that main post, and this can help you improve your grade. I usually grade on Sundays. If you're interested in finding out where the rubric is for the discussion boards, it's kind of hidden. It's under these three vertical dots. You want to select Show Rubric. In this way, you'll be able to see how I grade the assignment. There's also reminders here below of a kind of a checklist for you to go through and make sure you remembered everything for the assignment. In addition, there is a link to how discussion boards are graded and a model of a well-written discussion board post. Next, let's view an assignment, and this is set up just a little differently. You'll notice that on the bottom of each assignment is the rubric, so you can always find it there at the bottom. When you go to submit your assignment, you're going to choose that Submit Assignment button. You're going to choose a file from your computer, and once you've done that, choose this Submit Assignment button, and it will put it through to the gradebook. Next, let's look at grades. You'll see on the grades page that there is a column of the possible points for an assignment, and this is the score that you received. So this assignment here has been graded, and you'll see icons next to it. So here's the rubric icon, and that will allow you to see how I graded the assignment. And this is the feedback icon, which will let you see the comments I've left for that assignment. So I think this is all for now. Make sure if you have any questions to email me. I'm happy to set up a Confer Zoom meeting with you and help you with anything you need in the course. We'll see you soon.